How to update AMD GPU drivers on Windows 10 and 11 in 2025. First, you need to block Windows from updating your AMD Radeon GPU drivers automatically through Windows updates. To do this, either search for Edit Group Policy, or press Windows plus R key and type gpedit.msc, and hit OK. Then, from this window, select this Computer Configuration tab. After that, double-click on the Administrative Templates, then double-click on the Windows Components location, scroll down and double-click on the Windows Update option there. Then head over to this option, that is Manage Updates offered from Windows Updates. And then, from the right side of the window, choose this fifth option, that is Do Not Include Drivers from Windows Updates. Double-click on this policy, and by default, it would always be set as not configured on your PC or laptop. Go ahead and select Enabled here, then click on Apply, then OK. Then restart your PC or laptop. In this way, Windows will never update your GPU drivers from their servers. After this is done, head over to AMD.com and go to their drivers section. You can either choose your GPU from the lists here, or go to their search bar and type the name of the GPU that you are currently using. After that, choose Windows 10 or 11, whichever OS you're using right now. And then, make sure to download the Auto Driver Installer, as it will also update the chipset drivers if required. Click on the Download option, and save the driver installer file in Windows Downloads directory. Now, we need the AMD Driver Cleanup Utility tool. It is the AMD alternative for the DDU software, which is used to remove each and every component of the GPU driver from your Windows system that's already being installed. You can also use that, but for the ease of use, we're going with the official one. After downloading the Auto Driver Installer, just click on the blue highlighted Driver Details option of the current Radeon GPU driver, and then click on the Release Notes option. After getting to the very next page, scroll down a bit, or just press Ctrl plus F keys together, and search for Uninstall. Click on this blue highlighted text, which says how to uninstall AMD software on Windows-based systems. Then, right there, click on this blue-colored highlighted AMD Cleanup Utility option. After getting to the next page, scroll a little bit down, and click on this blue-colored AMD Cleanup Utility for Windows. Now again, save this file in the Windows Downloads directory as before. Now, I am going to switch my screen recording to my phone camera, because I cannot record my screen due to obvious technical reasons. So, after that, head over to your Downloads directory. Then, from there, double-click on the AMD Cleanup Utility tool, and then click on Yes. Click on Yes again, and then let your system restart, and after that, log into your Windows. Your PC will be booted to safe mode now during the GPU driver cleanup process, so don't get afraid by seeing the black home screen, okay? As you can see, it will remove all AMD driver and application-related stuff, except for the chipset drivers. Click on OK. Wait for a few seconds, after which, click on the Finish option. Then click Yes to reboot your PC. Now after logging into Windows again, your screen would look stretched or blurry due to the absence of any GPU driver. So now, again, go to the Downloads directory and double-click on the AMD Radeon Software Installer. Click on Yes. Then wait for a few seconds. And after that, make sure to set the current and latest Adrenaline driver version from here. In our case, it is 25.5.1. Click on the additional options, and make sure the software type is set as default. You can choose the minimal or the driver-only option if you don't want the Radeon Software Control Panel for any reason. Now, also make sure to uncheck these two options. Now, I already have the latest chipset drivers installed, as you can see here. But if it's not installed on your system, then the installer will ask you to install them on the very next screen. Make sure to install them also. So, now, let me click on Accept and Express Install option. Now again, wait for the driver to download. The estimated time will vary depending upon your internet speed, so please keep some patience.
A few moments later.
And after that, the GPU driver will get installed within a few seconds. Now, there we go. Uncheck these two options, and close this installer box. After that, you got it right. Restart your system, and log back into Windows. Yeah, that's it. You now have the latest version of your AMD GPU driver on your system. Now, whenever you get a new GPU driver update, don't update it directly from the Adrenaline control panel. Instead, use the AMD Cleanup Utility tool and install the newer GPU driver manually, so that you could avoid any driver or other technical related issues and conflicts with the existing driver as much you can, as I showed in this video. Also guys, Don't forget to clean the temporary files from Windows storage settings, and make sure to delete these 2 installer files that you had downloaded after you were done with the cleanup and installation process. So yep, my friends, don't forget to ask me if you have any problem. Okay? Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye, and I will see you in another video.